you want to replace a color with another color. If no object is selected, the selection option is disabled. Click eyedropper button to select color you want to replace with. Color you want to change is shown here. Click this eyedropper button to choose color you want to replace with. Color you want to replace with is shown here. Click Replace button. Undo. If you do not want all objects on the page to replace color, select only those objects you want to replace color. Exit macro and restart. Exit. Open macro again. Selection option is enabled. Click here to replace color. Only objects in the selection are replaced with color.